Do you get headaches on a regular and daily basis? This isn't as uncommon as you think, and there are several different types of headaches, each with their own causes and symptoms. Now, many people have different ways of dealing with them in a regular basis. Now, if you do get regular headaches, then you need to talk to your doctor first. They'll be able to identify the causes of your headaches and make sure they prescribe any necessary medical interventions. Now, medications is the most common way for people to deal with regular headaches, but there are actually some natural remedies that you can also try at home. So, if you're looking for a more natural, gentle, and safe remedies for your headaches, here are some ideas for you to try. Drink more water. Dehydration is one of the common causes of headaches, so try increasing your water intake to see if it helps with your headaches. Track your sleep. Poor sleep and insomnia have been linked with both increased headache frequency as well as intensity. It can also make you irritable, which will make your headaches seem worse. So track how much sleep you're getting. If you aren't sleeping enough, try to get more. And if you're sleeping too much, then be aware that oversleeping can also cause headaches as well. Now, how do you make sure that you are getting proper sleep? Really practice good sleep hygiene. Don't look at your phone, don't look at your laptop. Turn off the blue light 1 to 2 hours before you go to bed. Do some breathing, meditating exercises to make sure that your mind is calm. And again, preparing your body for bed. Preparing your body for bed is a really, really important process instead of just going to bed. And if, especially if you have insomnia, then you need to take the proper steps to make sure that you have good sleep. Taking supplements. Now, there are several supplements that can actually help with reducing headaches. Magnesium, which may actually reduce the frequency and intensity of migraines in particular. Now, remember that there are many, many different types of magnesium, so you have to take the right type of magnesium to actually help address headaches. B complex vitamins, which have a protective effect against headaches. CoQ10, which is a powerful antioxidant, which may help with migraines in particular as well. Limiting alcohol. I know this can be hard for some people, but alcohol can actually contribute to dehydration and put you at increased higher risk of headaches and cluster headaches to be specific. So cut down on your drinking if you want to try reducing your headaches. Avoid histamine foods. Histamine plays a role in your body's immune, nervous, and digestive symptoms, but it can also bring on migraines if you're sensitive to histamine foods. So cut down on your intake of this chemical by avoiding foods such as beef, wine, aged cheese, smoked fishes, fermented foods, and cured meats. Try essential oils. Certain high quality essential oils can be calming and soothing and have been shown to actually help alleviate headaches and act as a pain reliever. To use them, you can mix essential oils with a carrier oil and actually apply them on your wrist or your temples. Or you could also use a diffuser to make your home smell amazing, and then it can actually go up into your sinuses and help with the brain as well. The best oils for headache relief are eucalyptus, peppermint, as well as lavender. Acupuncture. So, acupuncture is actually a traditional Chinese medicine remedy that may actually help with headaches and migraine relief. Eliminate food sensitivities. Now, food sensitivities are often ignored causes of headaches. To determine if certain foods are triggering your headaches, try eliminating common triggers from your diet and then adding them back in slowly and seeing how your body reacts. Common headache trigger foods are gluten, dairy, sugar, chocolate, alcohol, like I mentioned, coffee, aged cheeses, and citrus fruits. Again, the best way to do an elimination diet is you actually cut it out for 1 month and then you reintroduce one back in at a time. When you reintroduce it back in, you see if your reaction comes back, if your headaches come back, and you know that that's what your body is reacting to. Other ways of actually finding out if you have food sensitivities, if you don't want to go through elimination diet, is actually do a food sensitivity test where it can tell you what foods, what your body is actually reacting to. Taking herbs. There are certain herbs that actually have been shown to reduce headache symptoms in medical studies. Make sure you talk to your doctor before you try any of these remedies, as some of these herbs can interfere with medications or aren't appropriate for some bodies as well. These herbs include ginger, butterbur, chamomile, and curcumin, as well as turmeric. Be aware of strong smells. So, the human sense of smell is quite strong, and strong odors can actually trigger headaches and even migraines in some people. Smells that are closely associated with head pain should be avoided, such as perfumes, cigarette smokes, cleaning products, pesticides, and certain foods as well. Move. Gentle exercises like walking is one of the best way to reduce headache severity and frequency. Avoid nitrites and nitrates. Nitrates and nitrites are actually food preservatives that are added to certain foods to prevent growth of bacteria. However, they can also cause blood vessels to actually expand, triggering headaches. Foods to avoid if you're concerned about these chemicals are bacon, hot dogs, and sausages. This goes along with elimination as well, so you try to cut it out for about a month and then reintroduce it back in and see how your body reacts and see if you have these headaches that come back on when you do introduce them. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thank you for listening in and hope you got something helpful in terms of reducing headache severity as well as intensity. If you'd like to hear more great tips, make sure to click the subscribe button. And as well, please like and share this video so we're able to continue making this content and helping people in their health journey. Remember that we're here to empower you to take control of your health.